name is Brittany. I'm in 6th grade.
Okay. Okay, Brittany, so let's go over the orange juicy activity. It says the orange drink in picture A is made by mixing 1 can of orange concentrate with 3 cans of water. The mixture in picture B is made by mixing 2 cans of orange concentrate with 6 cans of water. Which will taste more orangier? The mixture in picture A or the mixture in picture B? Picture B. So tell me your answer.
I chose A because even though like there's only 1 can, it still equals the same as the other. Because it B it's the same thing, only it doubled, but it still has like more cans than water.
Okay. So you believe that having more cans of orange juice makes it orangier?
No, because like in B it has more water than A, so even if it's more orange cans than A, it's still like the more water, it has more effect on it.
Okay. What do you mean by more water? More water added to the mixture?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to give you these cubes, okay? And so this is picture A, okay? So 1 orange can for 3 waters, okay? And this is your picture B, 2 oranges for 6 waters. And what I want you to do is, for this one, we're only going to have one cup. For this one, I want you to separate them evenly into those 2 cups, okay? So this one, you can go and just put it into this cup.
And I just put them in
Put
cup A and cup
even.
B.
So put the same amount in each cup. So, in these 2 cups, I want you to separate it among those 2 cups. Okay, so now I want you to look at all 3 cups. What do you notice about all 3 cups?
They all equal the same amount.
Okay, so if I gave you the second cup to drink of orange juice, do you think it would taste orangier than the first cup?
No, because they're both equal.
Okay, so now if you read that question again, so which mixture would be more orangier?
I think they're about even, sort of.
Okay.
Even.
Okay, so for the question that says Carafel A and Carafel B contain coffee that tastes the same, and you add 1 sugar of instant coffee to both Carafel A and Carafel B, which one do you think will taste stronger after the alterations?
I think B, because it has less liquid than A, because the teaspoon's gonna affect the B a little stronger because of the amount of liquid it has.
Okay, so based on our picture, okay, what do we know about Carafel A and Carafel B?
Carafel A has more liquid than Carafel B.
Okay, so was your decision based on the picture?
Yes.
Okay. So what was your answer for the next question?
A, because like in the other question, it has very less liquid, so the coffee will make it stronger.
Okay, and what do we see based on our picture here? What do we know about Carafel A and Carafel B?
B has more liquid than Carafel A.
Okay, and so what does adding water to our Carafel affect? How does it affect our taste?
Because if it, like in Carafel A, if it has less water, it'll probably make it the coffee stronger, and Carafel B, it'll probably make it stronger, but not as strong as Carafel A.
Okay, and how confident are you in your answer?
I'm very confident because I looked it through more than once.
Okay.
am Elizabeth Juarez and I'm in grade 6.
Okay, so Lisbeth, let's go ahead and go over the orange juicy problem. Okay, go ahead and read it for me.
The orange drink in picture A is made by mixing 1 can of orange concentrate with 3 cans of water. The mixture in the picture B is made by mixing 2 cans of orange concentrate with 6 cans of water. Which will taste more orangey? The mixture in picture A or the mixture in picture B?
Okay, so what did you write for your answer?
I chose A because the more the flavor, the more it will taste like orange, and if you add more water, it would have less of the flavor of the orange.
So you think that picture A has more of the orangey flavor?
Yes.
Okay, and how confident are you in your answer?
I am very confident.
You're very confident?
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and explain to me a little bit more about your answer. Why do you think it's picture A?
Because the orange flavor is pretty strong, and since the picture B only has 2 and it has a bunch of water, and if you mix it, it's not gonna have that same, because it kind of takes away from the flavor. And if they only have 1 and 3 water, they have 3 cups of water, it doesn't take so much of the flavor out, and is it has more flavor to it.
Okay, so let's look at this here. I've given you 1 orange cube and 3 white cubes. So this represents 1 orange and 3 waters. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and place this in this cup here. Okay, and here we have
2 orange.
We have 2 orange and 6 waters. Okay, now I want you to spread them evenly among those 2 cups.
Okay, 3 and 3.
Okay, now put them in the cups. Okay, and so this is from picture B, and this is picture A. Now I want you to look in each cup. And what do you notice about each cup?
They're all the same.
Okay, so if I take a drink from this cup here, picture A, and picture B, will it taste different?
No.
No, so do you still believe in your answer? Do you still think your answer is correct?
No.
Okay, so what would your answer be now?
B. Well, I think both.
So both.
Because the one with the 3, and then if you separate the 2 orange, they're all equal to 3.
Okay, so now you're saying that they're the same now? Read that to me.
Below it is indicated which coffee contains the stronger coffee. Determine which coffee will contain the stronger coffee after the alterations have been made. Explain how you came to your answer. Coffee B contains weak coffee than coffee A. Add 1 spoon of instant coffee to coffee A and 1 cup of water to coffee B.
Okay, so which of those do you believe would be stronger after you make the alterations?
Coffee A, because B is weaker at first than A, and if you add instant coffee to A, it is more stronger than B. And if you add water to the B, it becomes even weaker than A.
Okay, so how confident are you in your answer?
I'm confident.
You're confident in your answer. Okay, so looking at the picture, before we make the alterations, what does our picture indicate?
What does it indicate?
Yes.
That coffee in this picture?
Yes.
Coffee A is not as weak as coffee B.
Okay, and how do we know it's not as weak? Based on the picture, what is the picture telling us?
That coffee A is kind of weaker than coffee B.
But how can we tell that from the picture?
Because coffee B is way higher than the black or the gray from coffee A.
Okay.
Cafe A and Cafe B contain coffee that tastes the same. Add 1 spoon of instant coffee to both Cafe A and Cafe B.
Okay, so which one do you believe will have the stronger coffee after the alterations have been made?
Cafe A. Because at first, like, Cafe A is like way stronger than Cafe B because this one's like way longer than this one. And then plus the instant coffee, it will even more. And then this one will bump a little bit higher, but it won't beat Cafe A.
Okay, so does it tell us that the Cafe A is stronger? What does it tell us about both of them before we add?
It tastes the same.
Okay, so if they both taste the same, and you add 1 spoon to both of them, okay? Do you think Cafe A is going to taste stronger?
Oh, no, it's not.
And why not?
Because they both taste the same, and like it's not like one has more, so it's both gonna be the same when they add a spoon to both.
Okay, but what do you notice about the levels of water or the levels of liquid in each one?
That Cafe A has more than Cafe B.
Okay, so you have more of something, right? And you add 1 spoon of it. What's going to happen to your coffee?
It's gonna have more. It's gonna have more.
Are you adding just coffee or are you adding water and coffee?
Just coffee.
If you're adding just coffee, so what's going to happen to my mixture? So for example, if you have water, let's just say this was only water. If you add coffee to Cafe A and coffee to Cafe B, which one would be stronger? If those were just...
Miss Gillen, you have a parent in the office. Miss Gillen, can you please come to the office?
If those two cafes were each blank water or empty water with no flavor, no sugar, and you added just 1 spoon of coffee to each one, which one would be stronger?
Cafe A.
And how confident are you in that the Cafe A would taste stronger?
A little bit discomforting, but yeah.
Okay, so let's say for example, have you ever drank in Kool-Aid?
Yes.
Okay, so if you have water, just a cup of water, and you add your Kool-Aid mix to it, and so you have Cafe A with a little bit more water, right? And Cafe B has less water, okay? And if you add Kool-Aid to Cafe A and Cafe B, which one's gonna taste stronger?
Oh, Cafe B because it has less amount of water, and like since it doesn't have that water, it's gonna be sweet, and then plus another one, it's still gonna be sweet.
All right, good job.